Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how to calculate interquartile range for a grouped series. So this particular interquartile range for grouped series will be following a formula which is used in median. For example, median grouped series. Suppose you don't know how to calculate median for grouped series, kindly visit in the description box. There is a link for calculating median for a group series. You visit, just check it and come back so that you'll be understanding it very easily how to calculate the interquartile range for group series. We'll move on quickly to the calculation here. How to do it? Before that, we just wanted to find out what is the formula we are using it here for this interquartile range for continuous series here. Okay, so now the first one is Q1. There is a small correction or the alteration in the formula of median. In the median, we'll be having n by 2. Instead of that, we'll be having n by 4 here for quartile 1. Similarly, we'll be having 3n by 4 in quartile 3. It is just like calculating median. So if you know how to calculate median, this will be very easy to calculate Q1 and Q3. The similar method we are going to adopt here, right? Now 3n by 4, where L is the lower limit of the quartile class. What is the quartile class? I'm going to explain here. So we should not take it as a quartile class here. This is for you to understand only. We are giving this quartile class. Now cumulative frequency preceding the quartile class, and then frequency of the quartile class, then H is the class size, just like median. So whenever we calculate median, we'll say it is a median class. So instead of that, we are going to call it as quartile class. Whenever I calculate Q1, I'll call this as first quartile class. When I calculate this Q3, I'll call it as third quartile class. That only one point you have to note down here. So how to do this? So find the interquartile range of the following series which is given. Usually it will be arranged. So no need to go for an arrangement here. It will be most of the time it will be arranged here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out the cumulative frequency column here. I'm going to introduce this cumulative frequency column. See, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this 8 as it is here. Okay. Then this 8 will be added to this 16. So I'm getting 24 here. Then 24 is added. So I'm getting 46. And then I'm going to add it here like this. Okay, this is called cumulative frequency column. So 76, and this will be here, and this will be here. I'm going to add this and writing it here. I'm going to write it here. So I'm going to get the value as 118. Okay, now this 118, normally it is sigma f. So that is n. Okay, so whenever I say capital N, it is sigma f, that will be definitely equal to this. Okay, now when you add this and see, you'll be getting 118 here. Okay, so now I'm going to calculate the Q1 value here. N by 4 is 118 divided by 4. It is 29.5. Okay, so now I want to find out whether this particular value present here or not in cumulative frequency column. 29.5 present here? No. Whether it is present here? No. But it is present here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a box for this, okay, and call it as first quartile class. Okay. Otherwise, I'll call it as Q1 class. Whichever is comfortable, you can call it. Right? I'm going to call it as Q1 class. Similarly, I'm going to find out Q3 class also, but before that, we'll calculate other values for this. Now, Q1 is equal to L plus N by 4 CF divided by F into H. What I'm going to do it here, see, I want to find out the value of L here. This is the value of L because this is the lower limit of the quartile class. Then N by 4, L is over. Then N by 4 we know. Cumulative frequency preceding the quartile class is 24. Therefore, I'm putting 24. This is 29.5 is N by 4. Then frequency of the quartile class is this. This is F. This is CF. Okay, so now we are going to substitute here. Class size is, what is the difference between these two? That's the class size, that is 10. So I'm going to calculate this once again. So 29 minus 4 divided by 22 into 10, I'm going to calculate. So I'll be getting the value as 22.5. You can use a calculator or manual calculation you can do. The same method, we are going to find it for the Q3 also here. Okay, so how to calculate for Q3 here? Okay, so I'm going to multiply N by 4 by 3. So already 118 divided by 4 is there, that the whole value which is calculated value you can multiply, otherwise directly multiply this 3. Okay, so I'm getting 88.5. So whether it is present here, no. 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 But it is present here. So I'm going to put a box for this. Then I'll call this as Q3 class. Okay, or third quartile class, or simply you call it as quartile class. Then we are going to find out all the values. Now my L value is 40, my F value is 22, my CF value is 76. I'm going to do it, right? So now I'm going to substitute in the formula. So now it is 88.5 is this value. Then it is 76 is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Then F is the frequency of the, I'm sorry, see, I said median class. Just like a median class, we'll say Q3 class. Okay, so now Q3 class or quartile class. Instead of this, you can call it as quartile class. Cumulative frequency preceding the third quartile class. That will be opt 1. Okay, so now I'm going to calculate this. What is the value? 40 plus this is 12.5 divided by 22. So then 40 plus 5.2 will give you 45.2. Now I'm going to calculate the Q3 minus Q1. It's nothing but 45.2 is 22.5. So I'm going to get it as 22.7. That will be my Q3. So it is very easy, just like a median class only we are going to do it. So only one change you have to note down here. Instead of n by 2 in median, it is replaced by n by 4 for quartile 1, and it is replaced by 3n by 4 for Q3, and we are calling it as preceding the quartile class, or preceding the Q1 class, or preceding the first quartile class. Just like that, we will be moving it. Okay, so now it is very simple to calculate. If you have any doubt, you can put that doubt in the comment box so that we can clear it out. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.